What is this, clear? Cleaning his dirty ass interior. Hanging out the first oil change. We thought this was tape at first, but this is whole tint. Like, what is this, clear? My man Astro Ream in the back. Day 2 of ownership. First little wash. First wash. Y'all don't want to see the interior. That shit grody. Oh, wow. Cleaning this dirty ass interior before I can get a detail. Shit was dirty. Took the shifter off. Shit's disgusting. 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 Fucking nasty. Got Astro Ream right there. The VQ boys.
Tell the police I don't do nothing, I've been selling me some.
1 week later.
Banging out the first oil change. The guy did the oil, I believe, on like April 7th. It's April 21st now. I'm like, fuck it, might as well just do the oil change anyways, get it done. Cause the crush washer, they must have reused the crush washer cause it's dripping a little oil cause the crush washer's like split in half. So, try to get this joint jacked up. See that crush washer? Crush washer's fucked up. All right, so I forgot to show y'all the first part of putting the oil in, so I'm gonna put 2 more quarts in.
1 day later.
That's lit. That bitch sounds nasty. Y'all hear that shit? This shit lit. Yeah, what's up, brother? It'll warm up, babe. So we just put up the turn 14. Of course, I got sent to spectator parking because it's stocked. And honestly, it's fucking a full house already. But what are the odds that I park here and we got a G37 Sedan right here? But it ain't just a regular sedan. It's a 6-speed manual, just like your boy. Let me get the door from my lady. And we are outside. Come on, let's go.
I was just doing it.
Yeah.
I was doing it to warm up, you jackass.
Yeah.
Oh, you already.
Yeah.
There's one thing about Lake Marino Mountain.
We outside cruising with the guy. We just left turn 14 on the way to Souped Up Saturdays. Here, hold this.
fuck?
blew up.
All of a sudden I hear a rattling. I thought he blew his motor.
$500 OBO. 276.
Thanks.